Hello and welcome to Bespoke Unit. My name is Paul Anthony and today we're going to be looking at these two different Barrington watch winders. First off, we're going to take a look at the single watch winder. Both of these watch winders share the same functionality, so I'll detail it here and then we'll move on to the second one. With the first watch winder, you have the ability to set the number of rotations per day between 650 and 1950 rotations per day. You're also able to set whether the rotations are always clockwise, always anti-clockwise, or they switch between clockwise and anti-clockwise. They work by having first off 1 minute of rotation, a minute's rest, and then in the next minute rotates and then a minute's rest. This cycle continues for 12 hours to mimic the watch being worn by an individual. Watches are not typically designed to be worn for 24 hours, which is why this system is an on-off 12-hour shift. The motors are quiet, but I wouldn't say they are silent. So if you, for example, you need dead quiet to sleep at night and this is in your bedroom, you may want to start it to run during the day, or conversely, if it's in your office and you like peace and quiet in your office, you may want it to run during the evening. This also comes in a variety of colors. This is a relatively bold red lacquered finish, but it also comes in 7 additional lacquer finishes as well as some limited edition wood veneers. They also give you the option to array these different watch winders with a supplied auxiliary cable, where you can put 2 side by side or however many you desire. They sell additional boxes on the website to do this, which is a nice touch as and when your watch collection may grow. If we now move on to the double watch winder, this definitely steps up in a little bit of sophistication and technology. You're supplied with a remote control to be able to obviously operate the winder remotely. Inside you have the 2 individual winders that you can have set at different rotations and different rotation schedules using the auxiliary controls below in addition to the remote itself. Furthermore, the finish is just as nice as the first one with a high gloss black finish. However, this is the only colorway that's available. In addition, it has a carbon fiber finish and a storage drawer on the bottom where you can have other watches that are not currently in the winder. Whether they're automatic watches or they're manually wound watches, they can be stored in this area. At $465, this isn't cheap, but if you put that in relation to, you know, Swiss watches or Japanese high-end watches that you may own, or even lower-end watches, this may be a great purchase. For me personally, I don't use a watch winder often, even with some high complication watches that I own, such as the F. Pigeon of the Calandre. However, if you're in the market for a watch winder, you could definitely do a lot worse than choosing Barrington. Beyond these comments, I've also created a video of if you should or should not buy a winder. You can see the link below. As always, please feel free to ask any questions below in the comment section and like and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. I'm Paul Anthony from Bespoke Unit. Thanks very much.